Get a little wave. First we have Aggie, the aggressor. Here's the We have Tom, the tank engine Baloo. Jim, the savage Shroka, returning champion, 37 wins last year. Vippin, the Vippinator. Tony, T-Rex Johnson. Sumai, the one we can't come up with a rhyme for, but it's going to eat her brains out, Basiaga. Kevin, the carnivore Jewett. Sean, Mad Dog Marion. And Dan, the Daredevil Davio. So those are our competitors. I'm gonna. Oh!
Sean, the invisible carver.
Skipped you. Sean, the Terminator Tarbox. Sorry about that. You've been crying a lot about it, so I thought I had to take you out. Sorry. Alright, so there are a lot of rules here. I'll go over them quickly. Each contestant will be given a plate of 10 wings to start with. If these are finished within the time frame, the contestants will be given 5 more wings at a time until they elect not to eat any more, or until the time limit is reached. Time limit is 10 minutes. Or until you throw up. However, if you have to leave the table to throw up, you're disqualified. So turn to your left or your right. That's fine. Yep. If you eat it up. The contestants will be, this will be a timed event. The contestants will eat as many wings as they can in 10 minutes. A wing will only be considered fully eaten if there's no meat left on the bone. Our judges, Jay and Mark, will be present to enforce this rule. You can eat the little hangy thing. I mean, don't eat the little hangy thing. You can if you want, but you shouldn't. Each contestant will be allowed a beverage of their choice, except for alcoholic beverages are not allowed. I think I have to say that. Yeah, I know. There's no limit on how many beverages you can eat. There will be no drinking. There will be no dipping sauce, blue cheese, ranch, all good stuff. The meat must be eaten directly from each wing. You can't pull apart the meat from several wings and put it in a pile and then shove it in your mouth. So you have to eat one at a time. We're going to continue to refill wing plates as long as supplies last. Hooters of Manchester has graciously donated 300 wings, so stop by there. If you're there, thank them, because it's awesome. That's the hardest part, I think, of this whole thing, is getting donations. In the event we run out of wings, the winner will be decided by who finished the most amount of wings before we run out. If there's a tie for quantity, the person who finished their wings in the least amount of time will be declared the winner. So we'll keep our eyes out. In the event we do not run out of wings, the winner of the contest will be determined by the number of officially finished wings they have on their bone plate. The most amount of wings wins. Contestants will not be allowed to interfere with each other's supplies. Plates, wings, drinks, or they will be disqualified. Each contestant will have a designated space that they cannot leave to throw up during the 10 minutes of completion. If contestant leaves his or her space before the time is up, they will be disqualified. We don't want that. You can stand up. Just stay in your space. Don't get into somebody's way. All right, prizes will be awarded at the end of the competition by Deb. I think that's it. At the end, we're just going to do a count, so just sit still and make noise.
Unless they have to leave, right? I mean,
right. Unless you have to leave. I think that's it. Are you guys ready to get started? Yes. Okay, are you guys ready out there?
Yeah. How many leftover wings?
1 second.
Number 38's already got that taken care of.
Okay.
He's already started.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh boy, they're going at it. Look at them go. Oh.
Tony.
Wow. Come on, Sima, you got it. You got it. Look at Jim's face. Look at Jim's face. Stop it. Stop it in.
come on, Sumai. Get your face to do it.
I don't know if you guys can hear the noises up here, but it's like so slurpy and gross.
Here's the microphone.
Good Tony, doesn't
He doesn't like that. Go, go, go. Wow, Tom. Good.
No.
How's it going down
Pick
here?
up the pace, Sean. Come on. Two.
Wow, Tim's got about 4. 6. Tom's got 6. Jim's got 5.
There's more here.
Aggie's working on her 3rd. Sumai's working on her 3rd. 2nd. Wow, this is nuts.
Tom's in the lead.
Not quite yet. Oh, Tom's close. 3, 4 for Tom.
Yeah.
No talking.
Having a normal lunch.
Chew.
2 more on display for Tom, 2 more for Jim. 2 more for Tony. Oh boy. Oh, Tom's on his 2nd plate.
Wow.
Finish 10. We got 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left.
Attaboy, Jake.
Just put your hand up if you need another plate. Jim's got 3 left on his plate.
It's like those cross-country runners that Jack rabbits out. And then everybody else catches them at the end. Not everybody else.
Oh wow. Tom's got 2 more left on his 2nd plate. Oh, Aggie's just about done with her first plate. Holy crap, Tom needs another. Tom needs another.
Bring them on.
Raise your hand if you think he's going to throw up. Oh, Jim just about needs another. Let's go down here.
Come on, Sean. Run plate
Come on,
1.
Gavin. Slowing down already. Come on. Jim's on his 3rd plate. Give him finish your first.
Whose ball's going to look good when you get it back?
Keep going. You can do it.
Yeah.
Sean, you just need to eat 14 to beat me.
Thankfully, there's no video camera.
Keep your eyes open. He's almost ready for a second.
Think of a media card you had. Or a bar.
I'm slowing down.
You say the other cards.
That was good,
We're at 6 minutes. Just about 6 minutes to go.
Let me get it started for you. I'll give it back.
Looks like everyone's slowing down. Oh, Tony's on his, what is that, 3rd plate? Holy cow.
Yeah, let's get going.
Davio's in 2nd place last year. Let's see if he can hold his spot.
Pacing himself.
Oh, Pippin got another plate. Tom got another plate, his 4th.
Oh my God.
Jim's on his 3rd. 4th, 3rd.
Sean's down here.
I think Aggie's getting bigger wings. Keep going. Oh, you need another plate down here. Need another plate, hurry.
Let's do a overly anxious.
Sean needs another. Oh, both Sean. Sorry, Dad. Get ready, Dan Davio needs another. Oh. 5 minutes. We're 5 minutes in. Halfway. Halfway. Wow.
Come on, Sumai. Gobble.
Uh-oh. No more water.
No water.
Oh, okay.
Sumai like a vacuum cleaner.
How's it going? Sumai's got 2 left. Tony almost needs another. Tom almost needs another. Jim's almost there.
You did?